Come closer, ladies and gentlemen, the curtain rises high. Wooden kings and paper queens are dancing through the night.
A fiddle laughs, the tambourine replies, while painted heroes never truly die. Dance, little puppets, dance in the light. Spin with the music until morning bright. Strings may guide you, fate may call your name, but still every heart burns with the same flame.
Smiles, the night draws steel. The dragon falls without a wound to heal.
The children cheer, the old men sing,
while shadows dance around the village ring.
Who moves the strings? Who writes the tale?